Hi, this is Justin Costello with MarineMax Pompano Beach. I'm going to give you a walkthrough tour on a freshly traded in 2017 Boston Whaler 330 Outrage. We sold the boat new to the customer and he just traded it in, upgraded the boat. This is a MarineMax owned trade. Starting the transom, the boat's equipped with two white Mercury Verado 350 horsepower motors with joystick piloting. We access through the starboard side. Let's take a look here. We got a nice fold-out bench seat in the transom. A large aft live well in the transom here. We can open up. Very deep. LED lit. Rod holders where you need them. Freshwater, water washdowns. Dive door. Daddy cooler at the console area here, as well as a prep station with a freshwater sink, a hand basin, storage here for rig your baits. Then moving forward, it's equipped with factory installed electronics. It's got the Raymarine GS 165 screens, the black acrylic dash to go behind it so everything looks nice and smooth. Got the joystick piloting here. It's also your autopilot. Boat is very clean. And then our head compartment here, there's your dive ladder, your fusion head unit for your stereo, vacuum flush toilet with holding tank and overboard discharge. Move forward, we got a nice garage locker here with forward facing sun lounger. Seats in the front. And plenty of storage underneath this. Let me show you this. Keep all your gear in here, dive equipment, fishing equipment, suitcases, luggage, rods. Definitely a plethora of space on this boat. Again, it's Justin Costello with MarineMax Pompano Beach, 2017 Boston Whaler 330 Outrage, 954-633-2070.